Imagine an AI so powerful that it caused a massive sell-off in the US markets, wiping out nearly $3 trillion in value. Hard to believe? That's exactly the buzz surrounding DeepSeek, an emerging technology that's putting major pressure on big tech companies and their investors. According to this source, DeepSeek's sudden rise triggered a ripple effect in both the NASDAQ and the crypto space, leading to a staggering $3 trillion in losses. But what makes DeepSeek so revolutionary? DeepSeek is a new AI platform claiming to deliver faster, more accurate results while using fewer resources than other models. This apparent efficiency has investors questioning whether industry giants have been relying on overly expensive infrastructure. When a fresh contender promises to do more with less, it makes established players and their shareholders uneasy. So, how does DeepSeek compare to ChatGPT and similar AI solutions? ChatGPT, for instance, relies on massive computing clusters to process information, a costly and energy-intensive approach. DeepSeek, however, boasts a streamlined model that allegedly provides comparable, if not better, results with significantly lower overhead. While these claims are exciting, remember that DeepSeek is still in its early stages and may face challenges scaling to handle billions of queries like Google or ChatGPT. DeepSeek's advantages come with potential drawbacks. Because it's new, it may lack the extensive user data and global infrastructure that older AI models have. Questions about reliability and regulation could arise if DeepSeek grows too quickly. Still, many experts think fiercer competition in the AI space might ultimately benefit the consumer with more advanced and cost-effective solutions. Why did the markets react so dramatically? The answer lies in investor sentiment. If DeepSeek truly offers a more economical approach to AI, large tech firms might need to rethink their strategy, or risk losing market share and shareholder confidence. This uncertainty sparked a massive wave of selling, hence the reported $3 trillion in losses across NASDAQ and major cryptocurrencies. In the bigger picture, DeepSeek might be just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, new contenders could emerge with even more disruptive capabilities. That could mean more choices and innovations for consumers, and a serious wake-up call for established tech giants to optimize their resources. What do you think? Will DeepSeek reshape the AI landscape and keep pushing the markets? Or is this just a short-lived shakeup? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this video insightful, be sure to like and subscribe to Modern Horizons. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.